In this video, you will learn how to wire the myosmart system with the ErgoArm Hybrid Plus. Start by setting the automatic forearm balance, AFB, to its minimum value. Then, secure the AFB lifter strap with artery forceps to prevent it from retracting. Next, remove the clamp plate. Unscrew the lamination ring containing the EasyPlug and remove the EasyPlug from the ring. In the next step, we will wire the power supply cable and the cables of the myosmart control unit to the EasyPlug. Note, the 2-pin cable of the control unit must not be connected when wiring the 12K44. Secure it in the socket using adhesive tape. In the next step, we will connect the control unit to the EasyPlug. Start by applying silicone grease to the 3-pin cable without the dot. Then plug it into contact number 1 of the EasyPlug. Next, grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into contact number 2. Finally, connect the 2-pin cable of the power supply to the contact with the battery symbol. Also apply silicone grease to the cable connections and the lamination ring. Then, press the EasyPlug into the lamination ring. Make sure you hear a clear click to confirm it's locked in place. Next, screw the ErgoArm into the lamination ring. Insert the clamp plate and secure it with the screw. Position the coaxial plug so that the 2-pin contact is at the top. Next, apply silicone grease to the 3-pin cable without the dot, then plug it into the left contact. Then, grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into the right contact. Plug the 2-pin cable of the power supply into the 2-pin contact at the top. Secure the cables to the coaxial plug using the white plastic screw. Finally, use the lock ring 11S4 to secure the coaxial plug in the lamination ring. When wiring the MyoRotronic with the myosmart control unit, the setup is the same for both left and right hands. Connect the MyoRotronic to the electric wrist rotator and leave contacts number 3 unoccupied. Connect the motor cable to the MyoRotronic. If you are using the ErgoArm with the myosmart control unit, both the elbow and MyoRotronic must be in Program 1. This is the factory default setting. Adjust the program if you are reusing components that have been changed to a different program. Grease the 3-pin cable without the blue dot and plug it into the right contact number 2 of the MyoRotronic. Then, grease the 3-pin cable with the blue dot and plug it into the right contact number 1. Connect the 2-pin power supply cable to the contact with the battery symbol on the MyoRotronic. Place the protective cap over the circuit board of the electric wrist rotator. Cover the unused contacts number 3 with the red contact protector. Finally, secure the electric wrist rotator in the lamination ring using the lock ring 11S4.